Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video we will be fitting a set of headlight bulbs into the MGTF. So the bulbs that we're going to be fitting today are a set of Phillips RacingVision H7. Now, I didn't buy these bulbs, I actually won them in a competition over on another YouTube channel, a channel called MG Lee. I'm sure it's a channel that some of you are already following and watching his videos. Lee's doing some great work on a very similar MGTF to my own. So if you want to watch those, please head on over there, give those videos a watch and his channel a subscribe. I was really keen to change the headlight bulbs on the MG anyway, mainly because at night the output from the bulbs that are already in there is just really poor. You don't get much illumination on the road at all. So when I won the competition, I won these bulbs, I was really pleased because it was giving me an opportunity to upgrade the ones that are in there. And this is a brand that I've fitted to other cars in the past, and I've always been really pleased with the output from the headlights once they're in there. So let's get out to the car and get these fitted. So once you've got the bonnet open, the first thing you need to do is take off this rubber cover off the back of the bulb, which should just pick straight off. A little bit of wiggling. Once the cover's off, you can see then you've got a connector that's over the bulb, and underneath that is a clip. So the first thing we do, pull off the electrical connector, just like that. With the connector off, we can then see the clip. So at the bottom of the clip are two hoops. Now we push the clip down, out from underneath those two hoops, and then the spring will then open up. It's not too bad on this one, but on some you do need to be careful because these clips can come out from the bracket and fall down into the engine bay. Once the clip is out of the way, you can then take the bulb out and replace it with the new one. Refitting the bulb is just a reverse of what we did before. So lift the clip back out, pop the bulb in, be careful not to touch the glass part of the bulb with your fingers, or as you put it back in, push the clip back down over the bulb. Then you can see you now got to get the clip under those two little notches at the back, just like that. That makes sure that the bulb is nice and tight in the housing. Then you refit this clip back onto the back of the bulb, just like that, and then put the cover back on the back of the headlight. Once you've replaced the bulb on the passenger side, it's time to repeat the same process again on the driver's side. With the bulbs fitted, let's take a look at what they look like in the dark. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you found it useful, please hit that like button down below. I'd also like to say a big thank you to MG Lee for the headlight bulbs, which are now fitted to the car, looking absolutely fantastic. In the next video I'm going to be replacing the airbag blanking plate with a dash pocket cubby holder. So if you want to watch that video when it comes out, hit that subscribe button up there, and until then, I'll see you soon.